All right, guys, we have the 67th hired request of the current hired request list. Barry Manilow, Ready to Take a Chance Again. Great classic song. Let's take a listen to the intro. You remind me. Oh, that's even a little low for me. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, thousands of lessons on there for anyone, whatever skill level you are, whatever type of music you're into. I've done thousands of lessons over the past 12 years. If you are a beginner, I have beginner lessons for you. If you don't know anything about piano, anything about music, don't fear. I have lessons for you, and work your way on up to play something like this. Although some people just jump in immediately and work so hard they can play something like this. So look me up on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. All right, here we go. The left hand starts on an A below middle C, right there. The right hand will start on a B above that. B, C, E, and I'll go 3, 4, 1. Reach up for the high E with your 5th finger. D, C, B, C, and just straight 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Next measure, we're going to play an F on the left hand, so move down to F. The right hand will have A, E, then a high E, D, C, A, E, crossover for middle C. And then you'll just use your thumb on the next A and the next measure. Let's do those first 2 measures. Now on the next measure, you'll play an A in the right hand. Left hand will do a low A, and up to E. And the right hand will play B, C, D, B, C, D. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's where you start singing. That's low for me. An E, I have a very high voice, so even that's getting kind of low for me. Remind me. We'll go ahead and do the next measure there. G sharp, E, G sharp in the left, 5, 2, 1, G sharp, E, G sharp, right hand, B, E, left hand, G sharp on the thumb, D right hand, then a G sharp. You don't see the sharp there on the video, but another sharp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so that's 4 measures. Let's start over again. 1. You remind me. Very good. Okay, so there's your part 1. Get you started. See you guys on the website. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.